Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to clean copper vessels step by step. Gather soft cloths, white vinegar, salt, lemon, baking soda, and a plastic basin, and work on a protected surface. Start with warm water and mild soap to remove surface grime, then choose a gentle polish method based on patina level. Always rinse thoroughly and dry immediately to prevent water spots and restore warm copper color. Begin by rinsing the copper vessel with warm water and mild dish soap to remove grease and dust. Gently scrub with a soft cloth in circular motions, focusing on creases and handles where grime hides. Rinse well to remove residue, then dry immediately with a microfiber cloth to prevent water spots and preserve the natural shine of the copper surface. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like the video to support the channel. It really helps. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker is great for playlists or timers while cleaning and adds a little fun to your routine. I placed a link and current deals in the description so you can check it out. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. For heavier tarnish, make a paste using 2 tablespoons salt and 3 tablespoons white vinegar, or sprinkle baking soda on a lemon half for a natural scrub. Apply gently with a cloth or the lemon, rubbing until tarnish lifts and the copper brightens. Rinse thoroughly with warm water to remove all paste, then buff the vessel dry and polish with a soft cloth until it gleams.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.